Hi everyone, here's a video to demonstrate what you've just read in the text above you. We're talking about seventh chords, and as examples I've stuck to the key of C, and we're looking at our three main types of seventh chords, which are C major 7, here's your major triad, with the major seventh, a semitone below the root note, C major 7. C minor 7, C minor triad, with the minor seventh, which is a tone below the root note. And here we have C7, a major triad with a minor seventh. So that's a dominant chord, but we call it C7. In the exercise just before this video, I've asked you to write down the notes of a C major 7 chord, a C minor 7th chord, and a C7 chord. If you've done that exercise, these are the notes you would have come up with. C major 7, C, E, G and B. C minor 7, C, E flat, G and B flat. And C7, C, E, G and B flat. So if we look at those three chords, we can see that there are two notes that remain the same. These are the C and the G. Now, we definitely need our root note because that tells us what kind of chord we're playing. That defines our chord. So we can put that in the left hand. The G, however, stays the same no matter which chord we're playing. So we don't really need that to define our chord. So what we're left with, if we leave our C off here, is our guide tones. Major 7, minor 7, dominant 7. And if you want to learn all your chords quite quickly, this is the exercise that I suggest that you do, and it's called the chromatic chord exercise. Just before I go on, however, I said that you could play the chord, these guide tones, either in your right hand or in your left hand if a bass player is playing your root notes. Okay, so the chromatic chord exercise. This is how we do it. We choose whether we're going to practice our major 7s, minor 7s, or dominant 7s. I'll give you the example in major 7s. So we start on C, our left hand will play the root note, and our right hand will play the guide tones, the 3rd and the 7th, E and B. Now, if you're not on a piano but on another instrument, for example saxophone, you might just want to play your root note and your guide tones, yeah? But let's stick with piano right now. Here we have C major 7. So you play that and you say to yourself, this is C major 7. Then take everything up a semitone, C sharp major 7, etc. Everything up a semitone, D major 7, D sharp major 7, E major 7, F major 7, F sharp major 7, G major 7, A flat major 7, sorry, we'll call it G sharp major 7, A major 7, A sharp major 7, B major 7, and we're up to C major 7. Now it's really important when you do these exercises to make sure that you say the chord you are playing and look at the pattern. You're going to absorb this pattern. Okay, so now we're going to come down and we're going to invert the interval. So I'm going to put the B down here. And we're going to come down the scale. Here we've got C major 7, B major 7, B flat major 7. We're saying flat's going down, sharp's going up. A major 7, A flat major 7, G major 7, G flat major 7, F major 7, E major 7, E flat major 7, D major 7, D flat major 7, and C major 7. So that's the inversion exercise. If I was to do it for my dominant chords, the same thing. Start with C7, yeah, C sharp 7, etc., D7. And what will happen is you just do that exercise and eventually those patterns will sink in. But remember, it's of vital importance that you say the name of the chord as you play the pattern. Otherwise, when you look at a piece of music, you will not associate the chord symbol with the pattern. Eventually you'll get so good at this that you will say, for example, C7 straight away, F7, bang, or A7, C major 7, higher. It's a matter of just doing the exercise over and over again. It's quite enjoyable, it's easy, and good luck with your practice.